man sakunda Africa kono ni na tay sita ila doku folo ka kementi itel be bamban na sira to nyame bari bikela mulla ko jibe momo ko abe bamban na la sira to nyame bulata no may keda president ibe bono sira to nyame abe kala jefer yefer parce que moli meni e syndicate te be si kunkan wol be fero nyin kan kete ni no sira momo cika be jebe sira mule
and what lesson was already
power the first chapter of the constitution power come from the people and in whose name and in whose welfare that power have to be exercised.
Definitely.
That is the preamble of the constitution of Cairo Sabati Gambia. Mo be Gambia ni be tamala suto eke koma fela korite no. Ni be lari la bunko na nema kama ka korite na bunko katila. Parce que ni akati e fenta itena kuno laje. Ikata bagasol pake da metete taja. Isi bagasol je jurma ni safa police be dokola ba itela même filde to jala. Woto nyati na ko hadama di wo hade be Gambia banko kan mbe Cairo kanulen na nsondo mo kono bari Cairo nyanta futala ma nyame ma pero soto paski moli men nyanta ma ko la ka Cairo nati woli be la balu ku nyimma la nyidin ka ani dimula man sa kunda ndel yaaje nyame imam pare Cairo sabatina Gambia banko kan me yo sabu tuba wol kaf me deliberate tawnte yalla mamanke koy maji tawnte yalla ana manke lombaliya parce que mo men be man sa kunda même man telon amansia bare ngayina foko nalas letter birim farabala incident keta ngamon wulindi le ngata raje na member ko vakan demanding keso ba gunda because ye member college student only just less than 5 meters away was samole on the 18 nata on the 19 nata letter o safe men keta faraba men jante kela men janta problème o banna nga safe man sakunda e man jabi fen
abeka ke jannato nimi lafta beje le fana bina jannato be bito woni na detela
e ka hum social international TV
afoe Gambia to nyamandi ya fonsa fon mantara wandiya to nya keso le nyaada findi ka foni mboto nan dol si no kundi tejo le betani nala be fani ya nilun tawana 9 million dunga bula ya be sambe ya fusi ya wobeya ba ko ya be minna jani Gambia VM International TV Jalingali Kontone Alla Lodulale Nyata Gambia. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos.
Let's get use your voice to change the world through VM International TV.
Welcome to VM International TV. This is the best international TV ever. In order to learn effectively and communicate effectively, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
VM International TV
Welcome back once again. I am your host VM Trawale, and today is another day and we are here for peace. If you really want peace, here are the people that are willing to talk about Conflict Resolutions Foundation. They have the biggest foundation in the Ghana watching. Remember that you are watching live on VM International TV. Once again, welcome, sir.
My pleasure. My name is Mohamed Abdul Karim Toure. I am the Secretary General of Conflict Resolution Foundation. I hail from Basse in a small village called Mbaikunda in Sando district.
Okay, that's fine. Can you tell us a little bit about conflict resolution before I will allow my other people to at least introduce themselves? Since we have decided to talk about conflict, which has to do with problem, tell us why do you come up with this foundation?
The idea behind the formation of this foundation was sometime around 2016, shortly after the disputed presidential election. Thereby, we came together as one people from various political parties, having learned lessons from other African countries, the aftermath of every disputed political election. So we decided to come together so that though at that time the former president accepted the results, but still by experience that I learned from Rwandan crisis in person, we said, yeah, anything could be possible. whereas even the president accepted, the party militants from here and there may start showering derogatory remarks, which may culminate ultimately into violent confrontation. That was why we came together. We formed the foundation. We launched the foundation, and we started working in earnest during that time. Because I remember with the events chair, we were in between the president-elect and the incumbent. Okay. We hand-delivered our letters in terms of security analysis of the country, in terms of what has to be done, and then making the president-elect at least to feel that the whole nation, or part of the nation and the whole world is behind him, that he needs to be steadfast. He needs to talk to his people and calm them. He needs to talk to his supporters. On the other side, we wrote letters to the incumbent, the former president, that what you did, this is what Africa needs. There is nothing more than the Pan-Africanism. But then shortly after all those engagements, we have seen another system that eventually culminated into ethnic hatred. You have Jolas versus Mandinkas, Mandinkas versus Jolas and Fulas here. Everything is mixture in Gambia. Nobody knows where to go. That was where our main problem lies, and that was where we started implementing our programs and activities very well. By that time, sooner from there are some few crises that happened. There were some incidents that happened when the former president was leaving. We were part of it in the turntable. Some members were also at the airport before his departure. However, we as a foundation were concerned about the life of every Gambian, because this is a constitutional provision that every Gambian has a right to live. No one has the right to deny someone, a Gambian, to live. Whether you are Fula Mandinka, it doesn't matter. Constitution speaks for the entire country. Soon thereafter, we had the first incident, and that was our first engagement when the one Haruna Jatta was shot. This, we wrote a dossier. I will not sell a letter to the Interior Ministry when my party was there. And then how we saw the incident at that time after assessing what really happened. But unfortunately, we were unable to get anything from that side. Precisely, this is how we started. And then the aims includes the part of the introductory remarks that I made. Yeah.
Finally, before going to them, tell us what is peace all about and what those peace actually means to you.
Peace means humanity for me, because without peace, we will not be able to observe our religious rights. We will not be able to observe our communal duties. And then we can never act neighborly towards each other without peace. Peace is the fundamental tool for a human being. You understand? So from there, peace requires also a mature leadership. Because without mature leadership, the peace that we will have will be fragile and will be null and void.
Sure.
Yes, exactly. This is why we love peace, and then this is how you and I must love peace. Because we will not do anything when there is violent confrontation, when there is a crossfire, and when there are people killing each other in their homes because of this or because of that. That is uncivilization. Sure. That was a state of decadence that we departed from 500 and 600 years ago. Then we are just focusing on the African Renaissance, the African civilization, what ought to be done by African people to stand firm and set themselves and said, yes, our heads are unbowed, with our faith unshakable to do the right thing. That is what is lacking.
All right. Thank you very much. I'm happy to hear from you. I will definitely love to go to another guy next to you, just right at your next to your right, to introduce himself, probably in Mandinka, so that our African Gambians will definitely understand what we are trying to put across, because we believe that before you dance in abroad, dance in your country. So let's start it from you. Not from Pomolie. You have Pomolie conflict resolution foundation running another nyadile.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. VMTV Allah na jango akitanye kontane kubati.
Baraka.
Because Allah na jango alnata time lela me alonko anital. Bangola kuwe nyame. Andu nyim foundation of fanang a start ta nyame alhamdulillah until last start amanke ndekilende amanke Muhammad Damman. Mu jamalam.
Yeah.
Community musol ni chewol dinno ni beje.
Exactly.
So kabring a start 2016. Kabring carte fawo botal. Wato ndamal sita because carte fawo la campagne ko no ku jamal lan. So ndol dum be mu fondin chewol le do time do mantra parti kini nyaawnya. Bari nga kata after the election nkumara ko kul kata nyame alanga si ngamira. Because carte fo wata kata le akana bari ntol be nyokan na hadamal be nyokan so wato nataje alanga kafo form me alon ko ndamal sikeno kilomoti men si kairo sabati no ndamal tem wato le nata si nga kafo ni dada nga kafo tola Community Development and Conflict Resolution Foundation. Okay. So ni ade nga Community Development and Conflict Foundation Resolution Foundation. So community ntol be community so many baby community kono be kafu nyoma nga foundation o dada me alon ko be kairo ni tenkon sambatira ntol dammal te message sen na hajol te
nyum kuma ta bake ye kairo fo isa fonte ite isa ko moli an ya fonte minam kairo di bare ni ko kairo mo be ka kairo fo dal an mo ni ko te ka duwa kairo an min jamal ka duwa kairo wala ka ta ka fitno wuri de ka sate kon sa ite ya minam kairo ti
alon kairo akuma ya bada because baluwo kono nin kairo man soto baluwo man nafa soto ni mo jabe baluwo enjoy kan kairo le soto parce que nga jibe ne dulal to men yalon ko kairo te damen to Somalia nyol banku kotangol ila mul ka kenyame ani nga seredium fana nga kibarol mo hannim man taje kabrin kairo te je be nyama nin kairo be je wato men je be nyame so nin tol fana comme political anata fabina kalenda maltema kairan tayati woton tol fana nyanta miro sotolal meni keta Liberia nol to nyin banku dol to o kana kenna jang so sa kata nga kairo sabati ndinda maltema ndun to sabati ndinola foni ndete tanyola na ke kilindi nga nyomuta so wala tinna nyin kafo lota o dalilo la kan
okay e kafo la lo wato fo molie basa nata ya dabandim fo molie kafo la karola atul minam Allah aims and objective minam Allah hamo ko di nyin temenna pour yin kamba ko ale achievement ol so karola
number ngana jedo
ibina da man
na hamina kul is yata bakele bara bebe dending karola na hamila folo mo menti wolom nyinti ko fitno men ka wuli political party ol tema wato memba de dala wala kitan na hamme foloti wo fitno nga bam political party ol tema yeke kilinti parce que man sa kundal ka bojele bare hadama de wol nyil men be banko ka wol ka bojele a fulanja keta menti koma ya fo nyame Community Development and Conflict Resolution Foundation sontani na ko mol men be community kono wolle ka fitno yo bari kairo fanan at development on yirwa tana no la wo mod kan nin kairo man sabati woton na tundu community wo community be Gambia a bebe foundation on yin kono le mum kan nim man kairo sabati ndite yirwa wala ya tinna kita Community Development and Conflict Resolution Foundation wo kamala bari musol le siata foundation on yin kono be commencer la wati men musota tala fo mo wuli fula nyom na hamela ko do na ta kenyinti ko nyanta nga musol sembentu yandi kati nimma musol sembentu yandi be kala politiko kono joran jaw balati nimme wulte be bulale la troko kono ni ta campagne mon kan sila da panso soto no walla si di wala karambu jo soto no woto alinge makoy nge sembentu yandi e be business o men be safaro men na tel sif ko do soto no femfento nga wonati mo kedan na mira kotati hamela kudoti hamela kudobe je nata jibe ko the life expectancy in Gambia at that time was 42-43 jani futa sanyi tanna ning fula saba e ka faale wotumo wole siyata so nata jibe menen tambita wala wol jama be takanne ani fentangal siyate kono ndel nyanta munekela moli men yalon ko be community yol kono en kanay fay koma nga bule no ma ngi tokoto nga kebal tokoto mu yalon ko nga mol soton kono mun yali health care ke nga mol soton kono men mu voluntary red cross volunteers ti isaje ninga wol soto dulal to nsi voluntary nga o kebal makoy mun sakende ye fa horomo nim bunya kon o fanan kidan na hamela ko to hamela ku do fanan bije dulal to funding kewol men ben kono mais recreational facility de dale dulal to mu yalon ko si balabonyo tol kije dammal si bennoje parce que idle brain is a devil workshop ne tuta siri la jetol kono ani bettol kono e be tan la kuma kan mene fola si setane kumandi yo setane dum ne anata ala baro mo ma dan dulalo bar ninga dulal soto e be fam balo boro nyoto damen ani fula e be skill metol karanna damen bulla metol karanna damen hani computer londo o fanan benna aims and objective kono ñille mu kulti mu yalon ko nge kaf ñoma nge kerkere ko ne ñili manke kayro naata ate kala kayra bambandenti parce que foy hadama de mo sembentu yan ni be sembentu yande ite lafta men ne to soton wala yatinna ngake community development and conflict resolution
so alla yin kuma ko la fuka ko ñela ko mon yela ko alba bango do ko la
handel be khadamadiya do ko
wala okay
ambe khadamadiya do ko wala
denen metala polo do be sirin jana te bulu la kala kala yin covid-19 mo motugi yo covid-19 sa voy aw ko yar ne bare be san haklo dum fon do hanen bi o mo yamalo dum mol mi yano ke ben jibe kat ngana mo yama ko film imam makso dum bandal yen jibe fana albana no ko ko covid-19 male be kan dola an dol be dam tin kan dialo on to latenting but moniol milbe sirinje be max duna and I'm sure I'm protected with that area but in sita ita fanaya ise fanan ise do fo molye ani ye demandim fo molye nyem foundation of make the conflict resolution foundation of it in short e ka community development so if anan sa demandim fo molye je damani ye katana damani katana kan damani so yes welcome.
Okay, man lang ito lang Musa Sane. Man cameraman lang.
Okay, Musa.
Ang editor. Okay, foundation bi mo taxaw. Dafa fekk time boobu you know Gambia yëpp a ngi métti. Politicians yi yëpp a ngi xëccoo. So bu foundation bi taxawee. Dafa indi jàmm si community bi ak si nit ñi yëpp.
Waaw.
Ba nit ñi xam ne foundation bi lu am la.
Waaw.
Foundation bi kii si amoon nañ fi problème. Foundation bi daw na ci affaire yi mbalit ñu wax ci benn taxaw yaa jame moo dem the same thing so foundation bi dafa nekk li nga xam ne dafa ñëw pour dimbale nit ñi jàppale nit ñi liggéey ak nit ñi bokk xel ak booloo la foundation bi taxaw man na mun naa ko wax ci English mun naa ko wax ci soose waaye soo gisee ma wax ko ci olof ñi nga xam ne ñu ngi déglu ci olof ñu mun a xam ne foundation bi am na ay fànn yi nga xam ne làkk boo ñëw nañ ko wax parce que foundation bi dafa boole joolaa soose olof manjaako yëpp boole
mu nekk foofu waaw
mooy benn umbrella buñ boole moo taxawal foundation bi amut xaajak ñaar yëpp benn la
waaw léegi lan moo nekk so objectif si biir foundation bi boobu mu nekk community development for conflict resolution development lan moo nekk so solol foofu
suñ mébét ak jàppale si foundation bi mooy ne ñu ngi liggéey waaye dafa des parce que ñu bootu si ñun dañ bari te ñu bootu si ñun soxla nañ ay ndimbal
waaw lan moo nekk dimbal yaa ngi bugga
mooy ne am na ñu bari suñu amee programme dañ ñoo toppa
waaw
su ñoo toppa
waaw
ñu ngee dem amuñ dépasse buñ jox gars yi pour ñu mun a dimbale seen boppa so loolu moo tax ma ne dañ soxla ay ndimbal waaw parce que jigéen yi bokk si ñun dañ bari booy seeg xale yi ñu bokk si ñun dañ bari ba pare dañ ñooy dimbale ñuy jànga school am na ñeneen ñu bari dañuy amee jafe-jafe school fees fii am na ñu nga xam ne dañuy am jafe-jafe lekka añee duñu reer te ñu ngi bokk si foundation bi so loolu moo tax bugga neen tamit ndimbale fu mu jógee rek soxla neen ko si foundation bi
baax na kon xaaral ma ñëw Mr. Toure léegi maa ngi bëgg at least you tell us a little bit more of what are the problems that you people are facing in Mandinka so that people outside will know these are the problems that you are trying to put across, because every foundation or every community have the problems. But if the problems is not brainstormed or is not well expressed, people might not even support. But if the problem is being well expressed, of course, people will know this is the main problem. And with that, let us support them because they have the energy. So, mbali yo from Molia, minam ala sulo kuwati.
Yo, obetiata bake sula kuote fono la foni sula femo fota. Yo, wala mnyinti ko. Nga kata kuol men beke. Comme mbe kumo down la wati men ngambe mfo. Biring letero samba yarambamba. Letero nea safeta memma la luwati wala mo ya jabi. Yo nga letero men safe men tata je nta continuola. Man jabi soto no je woto malon ko tumo coalition government itel be siring be tintindi menka. APRC former government wol fanal nga tumado nka jabi dantan soto no wol bulle. Yo birim boto woto haruna jata la sayato ula mo hadama de wonani yobota dawda ka kisikisile ibika safakam e kalo ne mune nyim ke pour meya mensatina nyon kana keno
Exactly.
ngo kisikisile nga letero safe nga samba interior minister may fati le beje nga diala amanjabi nga wole tara kilinguta nga kopi nga samba president Adama Baroya ka itandala ko menketa ani mendasata amanjabi nata boto won tel mandaha parce que la banque di ya man fisan delti imam banko lon kanun telti so woto menyan tantel kan wolamu fitno me wulta kan ka dafa mbotaje nata mol wulindi parce que quartier feo menketa député quartier feo sibano mon dunta nyola APRC ni UDP ye nyola fengol tinya tata je tel tata je le kumo memfo fitno ni a temkunda ni fitno ka ba ite klendi na dabula no ma ngani kono tama ka jibe ko mune nyin sabu nyanda mune kala pura nyon kana ke kote ndeliye menke nga safele nga samba president of office amanjabi
Okay.
ye birim botaje nataje ko joya fitno wulta sorry jari ni jonde ya fitno wuli député quartier fe o mengita jimara bakadaji sata kono GDC la men kanyeta ni UDP la men man kanye ni fana dum ta nyola ye bi wandi pitikol tinya e fulol la pitikol tinya ye fulol bayila sata kono men wuluta je ye sanji tallulu baluje mo ko fana diamu so a nyonke de diabu fana andena seta fana diabu ku musat e cercle de satelti membe sandu banko kan ye fitno so do nyina ko jongol manyan jumo sallay tel forol la jano kon o kida kuti me yen tel kijote ba mbula tawo fanan no male anin birim mol be bulalo no man sakunda man femfo nga man sakunda sa te letero la nga Adama Barrow sa te letero la nga samba je faya karam fama karam malon faya karam no fama karam no malon faya so fama so na ya so faya faham malon pare menyan tan tele manga report nga kuma kan si dialale ya mo men jabi amambula na ko no magara wol dindi mu fata gara wol ya fure wata ya de ya samba jami'o to a fama wulta ka be diamula mo ke ba do be ja ka ete mu jonkun dan ko te nyim dindi mu na jongalti ndelle nyanta diamula ninna jongo banda o kira fitna pat yo nyola kordal jeni gara wol sa to mo boy do be je ay doso murola aborta dum da Senegal man sakunda be derin man sakunda la menka diamu man sakunda tole yala menka kibaro ami bojan siso ho memfo wala nyinti ko ado membe basse ma fangla ye bula noma ado membe kombo bula noma ka ko mo situ yanda yo lo fo ngaji be ko te fitno banna tel fangla natan te aussi ka bula ko ni noma ñillem problème tim bula tamel noma ka situ yandi woni problème dol min yalon ko be football kono be land isusol kono moli be kele kan kene ko le be ño fa kan kene ko la nga letero safere nga samba man sakunda e manjabi moli kal korda kilimuta ya wafi mo saba nani luluma yeta police fente bolaje meyo sabu nga safe nga saba man sakunda e man femboje woto natakal allo nyinko man sakunda na pareta kairo sabati Gambia woto e man simfa data man sakunda man pare kairo sabati Gambia mo be Gambia ni be tamala suto ke ko ma fele ko riten no ni belari la bun kono ne ma kan mo ka ko korite na bun katila parce que ni akati e fenta itana kuno laje e kana bagasol paquet de metete taja isi bagasol je jurma de sa ko polisol be do ko la bayite la men filde to jala woto nyaati na ko hadama di wo hade be Gambia banko kan mbe kayro kanulen na son do mo kono bari kayro nyanta futala ma nyame ma pero soto parce que moli men nyanta ma ko la ka kayro naati woli be la balu ku nyimma la nyidin ka ni dimula no
esa hakatu na fa ke nyidin ka dan e ko yele tarol so pe nyidin dal be do ngin be me reply isa ko mumye mina ne ila alla le tarol ko reply anna do be kayro la ko kuma so manana imanson kala le tarol di reply anu ka dolta de ko reply wala ka dolta je e ka faham bari ko son ka fota tol ma wala kal jabi mene wasabu
me yo sabu tuba wol kaf me deliberate tawnte yalla ma manke koy maji tawnte yalla ana manke lombaliya parce que mo men be ki man sakunda même man telon amansia par nga ina foko nalas letter birim farabala incident keta nga mon wulindi le ngata raje na member ko bakan demanding keso ba gunda because ye member college student only just less than 5 meters away was samole on the 18 nata on the 19 nata letter o safe men keta faraba men jante kela men janta problème o banna nga safe man sakunda e man jabi fen woto man sakunda ndel yaaje nyame e mam pare kayro sabati nan Gambia banko kan
ebe mene kala man sakunda challenge purin kambo ko ye kayro sabati Gambia banko kan pour Gambia dingol be na faso to yumdo ebe mene kala pour que man sakunda challenge in that category
yo mbe menkela yalo ni nyoborinta la ni la fero fo nyoborinta nyoy asi boyndi bari tuma do bato fere jamal le bembulu mbe menkela kudol be jembe nekela sainte because nga letro sa fele pour nimbaro fa nyaa nyoje nga o fero katale masoto data dula jamato majuma la mul katal sirin deme masoto ina tan mem fonye wala nyinti ko be letro sa fele den mbe baro jelale ye letro sa fe computer ko ngaji je côté si call by members of conflict resolution foundation ko da woman ke tonyati ntamal lef côté si call nimbaro mal la fen kacha nimbaro la temen kacha wala kayro ndete da iko to so solidarity to his excellency ndel man na solidarity tan di baro parce parti jamale mo be kafrun tel la foundation ko ndel tata la state house ko baro ko ndel nata solidarity le itandi la nte wokela so wo dalilo kama o ko tenkunta je nata letro safe project proposal ko lapta peace caravan le wulin la ka Gambia be raw problème o be dawoda ning alfa le si nga kacha ani men be problème o kon men sa tinda ngo problème o bang imanja ndata ko take imanja inata fonyo ko ta political bureau to ni dara je ya dila dani mo jelle balgulu ali alfa jelle so donc ko we are not interested so man sakunda Africa kono ni na tay sita ila doku folo ka kementi itel be bamban na sira to nyame pari bikela mulla ko jibe momo ko abe bamban na la sira to nyame bulata wono may keda president ibe bolo sira to nyame abe kala yefer parce que mol men ye syndicate te be si kunkan wol be fero nyinin kan kete ni lo sira momo chika be be sira mule
and what lesson was already
power the first chapter of the constitution power come from the people and in whose name and in whose welfare that power have to be exercised.
Definitely.
That is the preamble of the constitution.
VM International TV Jaling Ali Kuntunhe Alla Lodulale Ninya Gambia.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos.
Use your voice to change the world through VM International TV.
Welcome to VM International TV. This is the best international TV ever. In order to learn effectively and communicate effectively, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
VM International TV Jaling Ali Kuntunhe Alla Lodulale Ninya Gambia.
VM means voice of the media, and I would like you to share, subscribe and like.